All right, can you match these for Mommy? Can you match them? What does this say? What does that say? Where is the answer? Where's the answer? That's right. A banana is yellow. Good job. All right, what does this one say? What does that one say? Come on. What does that say? Where's the right answer? Good job. A mouse is quiet. Can you do one more? Oh my goodness, you're right. A dog likes to play. How about this one? Can you do this one? Which one? Can you find the right answer? Over here. Over here. Can you do it? Come on, I know you can. Good job. Penguins can't fly. How about that one? Right here. That's right, the sun is hot. And we saved your favorite for last. A pig is pink. You are so smart. Hey, can you smile? Yeah. Give me a kiss. Thank you.